Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we will go through how to save chat in Notebooklm. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to be in your notebook workspace. Now, to save chat content in Notebooklm, use here this Save to Note button on chat response to pin them to your note board, or copy the text and paste it into a Google Doc other tool. So if we do that, it will memorize here on the right side under the studio, and here we have note from our chat. Some new updates also offer automatic chat history saving with notebooks, so you can close and reopen sessions, but you can still delete history via the three dots menus. So this is how you can save your notes. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.